Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. In this video, I have here gimbal Zhiyun Smooth Q, which is determined for smooth shooting with smartphone or action cameras like GoPro. So let's check it out. I would like to start with a quick test how much can gimbal improve your video from smartphone. Here it is. If we check the box, we will find there a nice case, quick manual, cable and straps for case. The gimbal offers wide possibilities of settings and unbelievable battery capacity. It has two built-in batteries, each with 18,000 mAh that are charged by micro USB and provide standby time of gimbal for 12 hours. Gimbal can be used like a power bank as well thanks to the USB output. One of the basic functions is selfie mode, so if you want to make a vlog, it is not a problem. Interesting is also function of live time-lapse when gimbal rotates during the time-lapse. All can be set in the app, which is free for Android and iOS as well. There you can set start and end point, duration and so on. Then gimbal makes video like this one. If you want to play with settings more, app allows you to change nearly everything. So, if you want to stable the video and you have budget about $100, this gimbal is the right choice. You can buy it from gearbest.com. You have the link down in descriptions. I hope that you liked this review. If so, please comment and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you in the next video.